seconds, and I'm gonna ask what everybody needs to work on.
Oh, you're right.
Let's see. I think we're all new stuff, aren't we? Okay, very quickly. Did anyone have questions for any moves from here to the very, very new stuff that we actually did?
Wait, I just have a question on
Go, show.
how much we've done.
Oh,
Like,
no,
how-
I'll answer that later. You'll see in a second. Let me see. Who's got a question about a move, an old move, like in that section that we just did? Who has a question about any of those? Let me see you do it. Somebody please. Sorry, say it again. No, you'll start, the first one is here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I think everybody's almost at the same part. Let's go from there, Mr. Hogan, can you please?
There. Yes, there.
Oh, not from the top.
Not from the top.
No, I don't wanna do that stuff.
Yeah, from here.
Yeah. Yep. Better, I'm glad about it. Open first. Yeah. Good. Yes. That's good. Cross one. That's two. Three. Circle one without hopping. Go ahead, everybody circle. Go back. Everybody circle one without hopping. Circle one. Boom. Complete. All the way completed. Okay, pause. So when I say complete, I'm gonna go from knee to knee. Knee. Okay, and now everybody go once. All together. Go. Knee to knee. Boom. Now start the circle again. Circle knee. And as you get to the top, now hop. Hop. Now finish and dip the knee. That's the timing on that. Okay, sorry. Keep going. Keep going. Monkey hop. Open. Now the first one is on toward there. First one. No, go back to first. Look at Mr. Nelson doing it. You're right, Mr. Nelson. Boom. Do it now, Mr. Nelson. Do it. Boom. Go ahead. Reach out. Turn. Watch Mr. Nelson. Turn and reach. I want to say watch Mr. Nelson because y'all turn directions. Now do the next. Yep. Now you're gonna look at Mr. Hogan. Turn and reach. Cool. Right. And horse stance present to the left. Yes. Okay, reset. Let's do that again. That was good. I think everybody's at the same part. Anybody have any questions about those? We're gonna do it like 3 times.
There.
Three to 5. If we can get it in. We're gonna go one from here, and then we're gonna keep every time we go, we're gonna move forward into the new into the old. So it's called here. Step back. Out. Switch. Boom. 3, 4, 5. On 6, open. Step. Up. Cut. Lock. Right. Pull. Cut. Now I wanted to say, do a real. Strike. Pull. Get in the habit of coming all the way to the position. Boom. Cat. Strike. Boom. Cut. Cat. Strike. Boom. Cut. Drop. 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 Cross. 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 Circle 1. Circle 2. And hop. Close. Open. Come in and block. Look to your hand, look. Now reach. Shift back to a cat stance and stop. put the swords at your hips, like the chamber. Now strike from there. Block. Bring the foot in. So just bring the foot in. Yep. Bring it in like we just did, bamboo step. With the knee bent. Kneel down. Block. Now turn and reach. Pull to the hips. Do a real cat stance. Strike. Present. Reset. Any questions? Do it again. Let's pretend we just did the last one of these. Put them on the other side. There you go. All right, drop. 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 Cross. 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 Circle. Circle. Up. Monkey. Up. Open. Block. Reach. Go back to a cat. A real cat. Real cat stance. Strike. Block. Reach. Pull. Real cat stance. Strike. Present. Stay together.
Yes, sir.
Part of what makes, come on up,
Yes, sir.
part of what makes a form look nice are those transitional stances. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right, same with corner leopard fight back, right? If I didn't do a real cat, I'm like this, look. Oh, I hate it. Everybody does it when they first learn it. They're like, they just kick the leg. Right? But when you, it's the in. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Go to Senior Head Instructor.
Bow to first degree apprentice instructor, advanced, and intermediate. Good job.